Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, or FMEA, is a systematic approach used to identify and evaluate potential failures in a process, product, or system and their effects. The goal of FMEA is to prioritize risks, allowing organizations to focus on the most critical areas and take proactive steps to prevent failures before they occur. FMEA begins by identifying all possible failure modes for each component of a process or system. A failure mode refers to the way in which something might fail. For example, in a manufacturing process, a failure mode could be a machine malfunction or a defect in the product. Once failure modes are identified, the next step is to assess the effects of each failure on the overall process or system. This involves asking questions like, what happens if this failure occurs? How severe would the consequences be? This assessment helps determine the impact of each failure mode. After identifying the failure modes and their effects, the next step is to prioritize them based on three factors: severity, occurrence, and detection. These are often rated on a scale of 1 to 10, with higher numbers indicating greater risk. Severity refers to the seriousness of the effect of the failure. A high severity score means that the failure could lead to significant issues, such as safety hazards or major defects. Occurrence is the likelihood that the failure will happen. A high occurrence score indicates that the failure is likely to happen frequently. Detection measures the ability to detect the failure before it reaches the customer or affects the process. A high detection score suggests that the failure is difficult to detect early. These scores are multiplied to calculate a risk priority number, or RPN, for each failure mode. The higher the RPN, the higher the priority for corrective action. The team should focus on reducing risks by lowering the severity, occurrence, or improving detection of high RPN failure modes. FMEA is an ongoing process. As improvements are made, the FMEA should be updated to reflect changes in the process or product, ensuring that the organization continues to minimize risk and improve quality over time. By systematically identifying potential failures and proactively addressing them, FMEA helps organizations enhance the reliability, safety, and quality of their processes and products, leading to better outcomes and customer satisfaction.